story that I will tell to you, entitled Nasan Ka, Elisa? And here's the story below. Once, there was a family who was known by their business successfulness. This family is surnamed as Altamira. This family is headed by Mariano Altamira as a successful businessman and his wife Dana Altamira. They had a beautiful daughter named Elisa that seemed in Mariano's eyes the perfect daughter they ever had. But the real thing is, Elisa is not the real daughter but only adoption. One night after Mariano's party, Elisa insisted to her father to go out with her younger sister Christina and her two cousins Santi and Edward. They went to a local club where they were having party. They saw Elisa dancing gracefully. The two, except Elisa, got drunk and later discovered she was missing. When Elisa was gone, they hired a private investigator in order to saw Elisa, but unfortunately, they do not saw Elisa. One day, when Eduardo was walking, he saw Elisa full of sorrow and taking a bath with her own blood. Eduardo carried Elisa into the hospital in order to help her. But unfortunately, Elisa can't survive and she died of her in a comatose. After she died, Dana Altamira and Mariano Altamira, also her family, struggled in many sorrow after she died.